Hey guys, so we're out here on the dunny again, and I'm going to try and get this door frame out. It's been bricked in, so we're going to take some bricks off the top, see if we can get the header piece out, and then I can take it into work and basically copy what's there and then bring it back and just plonk it in place like we did with the front door. So we'll see how we go. Yeah, white ants have been into it, so I need to... Oh, that's that other bit. It's still pretty solid. Yeah, this will be an easy job. Just need to take it into work. Where's my hammer gone? Alright, gonna put me on camera. Alright guys, so that came out pretty easy. But what I discovered, this is the header piece, and the joints here where the tenons went through, they put a bit of tin over it on top to stop moisture getting down into the joint. That's the kind of stuff they did back in the day. Pretty awesome, because this is in good nick still. Bugger off. And there's a bit of white ant damage on the stiles here, but I'll copy all this with the timber from the front door frame that we pulled out, and we'll bring it back, we'll paint it all up, we'll bring it back and we'll chuck it straight back in. Piece of cake. Hi guys, welcome back to Fourth Generation Renovation. I'm Mike, and today I thought I'd get back into the outback dunny door frame. So I pulled that off the other day, and I decided after having a good look at it that it's good enough to reuse. So I'm going to clean it all up, glue it back together, paint it, and then I'll go and install it. So there were parts on it that were eaten out by white ants, and it was just the door stops. It was obviously made of softwood. These door jambs, I don't know what timber they are, but they are very hard wood. So I've filled up the fine cracks that were in these door jambs with automotive body filler, and I've also filled the old screw holes from the hinges and the striker plate. I'm going to move them so I can hang it exactly where I want it and not have to go into the old holes and then it rubs on the floor or something like that. So I'll start fresh with that, but these door jambs are in good nick, so I'm going to just sand them up and put it all together, and then I'll take it home, paint it, and it can be installed back in the dunny. Just before I get on with the dunny door frame, I thought I might show you something. Today we had a delivery, brand new wide belt sander. It's a planer and a sander in one. And we've been waiting for this machine for about be at least 4 months. It was made in China, and it's got German components in it as well, so it should be a good machine. We haven't got it hooked up so we can use it yet, but should get that connected up in the next day or two, and I'll be able to try it out. So anyway, that's that. We'll get on with the door frame. So you can see here, guys, just some few splits in that I've wanted to fill so we get a nice smooth coat of paint over that. Now a little tip for you, when you're using a belt sander, it really helps to go in circles. So as you're sanding, just go in circles, up and back and in circles. What that does, it prevents you from getting a ridge from running up and back. And I've sanded large bench tops just with a belt sander before we had the wide belt, and I've gone in circles and up and back, and I've got the whole top flat. So it really does help to go in circles, and I think it cuts better because you're using the whole belt, where you're not just running, if you've got a lump of glue or something and you're running in one spot, you're using the whole belt, so it's always got a sharp bit cutting it. So yeah, a little bit of a tip for you. If you give it a go, you'll find it works great. Just going to arras the edges. Now, I've made up this block. I've used these blocks for years, and they're just great. So what you do is you just get a sanding belt off of, this is one that fits the Makita belt sander, and you just make a bit of board to the right length and you slide it on there, and when it gets, I'm going to replace this now, but when it gets blunt or clogged up, you just slip it off and slip a new one on, and it's a nice big board. It cuts well, and yeah, for arrasing on outside edges, it is the easiest way to do it. So give it a go. You just got to fiddle around with, nibble off a mil at a time maybe till you get it so that belt can just slip on nice and tight. But once you get it set, you can just replace the belt over and over. So I'm going to glue this all together now. I'll put some braces in it, and it'll be good to take back and install back in the dunny. Hey guys, so I'm back here, back at home, and I've got my arriving home brew, and I've got the door out just there. I'm going to fit it back onto the dunny, so I'll have a quick drink and get stuck into it. All right, let's try that again. Need to remove another brick. All right guys, well that's it. I got the door on, it's working beautifully. I had to knock out a few extra bricks up the top there. So I got Cooper coming to my place this weekend, and he's pretty keen to do some renovating, so we might get and do some pointing and lay these bricks and stone up the top. So yeah, it's I've got it all sitting level. The door opens and closes beautifully. So all in all, pretty happy with that. I'll paint the door frame. I'll get some paint on that probably over the weekend as well. Won't bother tonight. And yeah, we'll get this finished. I've got a big party here in 2 months, and some old bugger's birthday. So got to make sure we've got a toilet out here for all the guests. So we've only got one toilet inside, so it'd be good having the second toilet. So I'll show you a bit of footage for the outro, and we'll get and do some filming. the main bedroom is nearly done. So I think we were going to try and move in there tonight, but I've got to do the wire up the power points and that. So we'll probably move in over the weekend. So it sounded like this weekend's going to be a big weekend, a lot of stuff happening. So I'll get another couple of videos organised for you and get them uploaded, and you'll see some stuff really starting to happen. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.